Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. I had a question a while back on how to set these older RAV4s and Toyota Tacomas that have this nice fat thick molding on the side. So we're going to demonstrate that today. We've got a pretty good glue map along the bottom here, so we're going to shoot the glass, and we're using our Power Push 6000 AGR. I don't know what got on there, but it is a Power Push Maritool, and we're going to shoot some glue and get this set. So let's get started. And one thing I forgot to do on my Toyota here, which I usually do, is fill those guide pin holes. So we're going to take our old tube here, grab the bone, and we are going to fill these guide pin holes. Anytime you shoot the glass on a Toyota, make sure you fill these, because these are notorious for causing leaks. A lot of times the glue line, if you don't set it right, or if you just make a small error, the glue line will run right across the top of that, and you'll get a drip or a leak right behind that guide pin hole. So filling these will help you avoid that. Chunk off of there. Just give it a nice smooth coat, and you're good to go. Clean that off in a minute. Block our bar in, check all of our cups, make sure they are tight. And let's set a piece of glass. Gonna hang it like normal, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set that top lip right on the edge, and the side lip here right on this edge, and we're gonna pull that towards us as we drop it in. And then same thing up here, we're gonna let that slide down, keeping our tension towards us this way to make sure that stays tight. And you can see we're nice and tight along this edge here, nice and tight at the top. And then we'll move over to this side and do the same thing. We're going to watch that top, make sure this lip hits the top edge here, and make sure this lip hits the side of the pillar here. So watch that as we drop it in. And then right here, we're just rolling up nice and easy. Let that slide down a little bit. Make sure we're got a nice little roll on our molding there. Lock that one in place. Double check this side. Still have a nice little roll. Nice little roll across the top there. Deck it down and call it good. And that is setting an older, this is a 17 Toyota RAV4. This technique also works with the older Tacomas that have that three-sided molding as well. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.